everyone, it's Kayla from VODANA. Today I'm going to show you 4 different techniques on how to get these great curls, but I figured we'd start off by showing you guys the 2 most basic techniques. So let's get started. So to be honest, this one is the one that I personally use the most. It's really simple here. Just kind of take a small section and take your iron, and what you're going to do is clip this section inside the barrel. Now, the important part here is you're going to rotate the hair around the barrel, but the key thing is you're going to use the clamp to continue to rotate the hair from the scalp to the tip. Now hold it there for about 3 to 5 seconds, and once you're finished, just gently let it go. And you'll get this beautiful curl coming out like that. All right, so now that we've got that first technique out of the way, I want to show you guys our second one. Easiest method out of the 4. What you're going to do is take another section and take your curling iron, again we'll be using the Glamwave, and start towards the bottom of your hair. You can clamp it in about here, and we're going to roll up from the bottom towards the top of your scalp here. Once you get to the top, hold it there for about 3 to 5 seconds again, and once you're comfortable with it, you're going to slowly release that curl towards the bottom. Now the thing I want to show you guys is the difference between these 2 curls. If you look at it, the first one that I curled here, we started towards the base of the scalp. So because of that, you'll see we have an even curl going from the top all the way to the tip. However, with that second curl, we started at the bottom and worked our way to the top. That leaves that curl a little weaker towards the top here. So keep that in mind when you're styling, and you know what they say, practice makes perfect. All right, so now that we've got our first 2 basic techniques out of the way, I want to introduce you guys to a couple more advanced techniques. Now, this one here is going to probably be our most dangerous one, so for our beginners, please be cautious when trying this out. You're going to take your Glamwave here and think of it more like one of those clampless curling iron wands. You're going to use it here at a downwards angle and take your section of hair and simply wrap it around the wand. See how I'm wrapping it around the barrel like a wand? This is the part you need to be careful about. Make sure your fingertips don't touch the barrel. You could burn yourself. But once you've held it there for about 3 to 5 seconds, let it go, and you're gonna get these big, voluminous, glamorous curls. Okay, so for our last technique today, it's gonna look the trickiest, but I promise you, it's super easy, and it's gonna give you the most even curls throughout your head. And we're going to twist that barrel around 1 time, just once, and hold it there, again, 3 to 5 seconds, and once you're done, you're gonna just gently unravel the barrel. Don't let go of it, gently unravel, and then once more, twist that barrel around 1 time. Again, hold it there, 3 to 5 seconds, and then when you're done, let it go, and then 1 more time, we're gonna just twist that around, 3 to 5 seconds, hold it there, you know the drill. And look at that, you're gonna get those even curls from top all the way to the bottom.